Welcome everyone! If you pay for the PlayStation Plus, you can get Modern Warfare 3 completely for free. So you need that PlayStation Plus subscription. It can be the cheapest one. And once you have that from your PlayStation itself, we're first going to head into the PlayStation Plus app. So I'll click on X to open this one up. And then from here, we're going to see the monthly games. So it's included for Essential, Extra, and Premium. I'm on the Essential cheapest plan. And so let's just click into monthly games here. Then we're going to click into View Games. And there it is, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So let's just click on this one. And then Add to Library completely for free. So if I click into this, it's now done. Now real quick, two things to note. This game is permanently unlocked. So keep that one in mind. Even after this month ends, you will still be able to load up Modern Warfare 3 completely for free. If your PSPlus subscription expires, then you won't be able to play the game, but it's still going to work even in that cheapest Essential plan. This is not a big deal because to play Modern Warfare 3 online, because there's no real good campaign here, you do need to have PSPlus in the first place. So that's not too big of a deal, but just keep that one in mind. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.